Today we're going to show you how to build our swim platform kit. They're available in both O scale and HO scale. We're going to build the O scale one because it's easier to record, but they go together the same. You'll find 3 sheets of wood. One will be the side pieces and some of the ladder steps. The other will be the top piece and the ladder sides. And then the other will be the floats. Finally, there'll be the detailed directions. Using a hobby knife, cut the tabs on the 8 float pieces and remove them from the carrier sheet. Once you have removed the piece, go ahead and sand the tab smooth. We use Aleene's tacky glue, but a wood glue would work fine. Using a little bit of glue, stack 2 float pieces together, so in the end you have 4 floats. Set them aside for later. Find the carrier sheet that contains the top deck. Remove it by cutting the tabs. As always, sand the tab smooth. Find the carrier sheet with the 2 shorter side pieces and remove those. Apply glue to the platform deck. Then, apply the sides, making sure that they're flush with the top. Set it down on a flat surface while it's drying. We recommend placing something heavy on it, just as added insurance to prevent it from warping. Once the sides are fully dry, go ahead and sand any overhanging part flush with the ends. Remove the 2 long pieces the platform sides from the carrier sheet and repeat the attachment process on the other side. Set it aside and let the glue dry thoroughly. When the glue is completely dry, go ahead and sand any overhanging part of the side completely flush. Flip the swim platform over and attach the 4 floats in the 4 corners using a little bit of glue. Remove the ladder steps and the ladder sides from the carrier sheets. Sand off any remnants of the little tab. I know we sound like a broken record, but it's these little details that make the difference between a good-looking model and an excellent-looking model. Form a loop using some masking tape and lay it flat on your work surface. We use this to hold the pieces of the ladder in place while we do the assembly. Using one of the steps as a guide for spacing, apply the two sides parallel with each other on the tape, making sure that they are aligned at the top and bottom with each other. Apply a small dab of glue into each notch and then insert a step. Let this dry. The ladder is made long, giving you extra to extend into the water should you choose. Line the top of the platform up with the top step and cut to length. Apply a drop of glue and attach the ladder. And with that, physical assembly is complete. We hope you enjoyed putting together this kit. And check out our website, compositedesignsinc.com, for more.